I'm Abby. I'm a farmer florist based in Devon. I was already working in horticulture. I had a job at a wedding venue, fell in love with the cut flowers there and thought I could grow my own and start my own business. So this is my workshop. I keep it cool and dark as well to help with prolonging the life of the flowers. I've made these custom built benches so they're a good height for me so I don't end up with backache. And I also use these when I run workshops. They come out and I can seat lots of people around them. I lay out all my flowers on my workbench here. I do my arranging and then I can turn around and I've got a bench already set up for my wrapping. So this is my dry station and I've got my wet station. I've got tools handy, I've got my string handy, so everything just sort of flows and there's no stopping and starting, so it just makes the process much quicker. I also leave lots of room so I can put buckets of flowers and all the finished arrangements. All my reference guides are here as well, so I've got my books, lots of ribbon, and my vases are all stacked up, ready to go. So it's a nice big open space. When the bride and groom get in touch with me, I send them a form to gather as much information as I can. I then give them a proposed quote, and if they want to continue, we have a Zoom call or a face-to-face, and then we start to create a vision together. Often couples will come to me with images from Pinterest or photographs that they've seen before that they'd like to encapsulate in their final flowers. So we create a mood board together, and then we both know that we're in alignment with the final image. So I try and prepare as much as possible. A lot of it is a guessing game. So I start advertising early, really encourage people to pre-order. Mother's Day is obviously one of the busiest periods of the year, so lots of flowers need to be pre-ordered by many businesses. So I look back on previous years, see how well I've done and establish how many bouquets I can offer. And then it's a case of, this is how much product is on order, I need to sell these bouquets. So I just advertise as much as possible. So being a farmer florist, my quieter months means a lot of the prep in the background. So I will be preparing all the plants for the field. Lots of admin work, updating my website, contacting brides, really pushing on social media for business. January is a great time, for example, to advertise that you are a wedding florist and your calendar is open. So that tends to be a lot of preparation and planning. So the flowers that I cut from the farm have to be cut early in the morning and placed straight into cool water. They're conditioned for as long as possible, so several hours in a cool, dark room helps them take up water and then they sit better in arrangements. I need to ensure that I've cut the exact amount I need or obtained it from another supplier, but mostly it's about ensuring that they've been conditioned long enough so when they are arranged and they're being arranged out of water, they hold their shape and they don't wilt. Social media was a real turning point for me. It was something that I wasn't particularly comfortable doing, but I had to sort of push through that barrier because it's a free platform which increased my reach to customers greatly. So it's something that I utilise from day one. I do often find that when I post on social media and I'm linking my website, they will then divert traffic to my website. I sell in a local farm shop, which obviously means that they are pushing my sales and advertising for me, which really is beneficial. But I've just built up a customer base through word of mouth and really shown value to those customers. So when I book in a wedding, I send out the terms and conditions. That is stating that any changes to be made leading up to the date, then I will still incur part of the cost. When I do workshops, if people can't attend, then I'll offer them an alternative, just so that then if it's a last minute cancellation, I'm not losing out on that space or that time. I love how diverse it is. I love how creative I can get and how individualised it can be. So when I have someone come to me for wedding work or funeral work, I can create that vision for them, and it's really rewarding to see them light up when they receive that product. It's something that gives me value.